yeah, before we do get started, if you guys can remember the guy in the last video that worked for me, his name is Frank. He actually makes these organic, all-natural deodorants, and I told him to make a batch. This is his toolbox, by the way, check that out. So here's the all-natural deodorant. And I'm not bullshitting you, this stuff smells really good. It's all-natural deodorant. I'm not sure what it's made of. He won't tell me because he thinks I'm gonna steal his recipes. I think he made this batch specifically for the shop, exclusive recipe. So if any of you guys want a jar of deodorant, all natural, handmade, it smells really good and it works. He gave me a jar and it works pretty well. I don't wear deodorant. I'm kind of dirty like that, but I've been wearing it and I've been smelling pretty fresh these days. I'm gonna put a link in the description below. Go ahead and support Frank. If you support my business, then go ahead and support Frank because he's a young guy. He's been working hard here, and I really appreciate his effort. We got our batch of lemon juice. We're gonna try it out. Take a little swipe of that. Apply liberally. Oh yeah. Oh, that smells real good. Oh yeah. Gotta get yourself some of this organic deodorant. Get yourself one. Go ahead and get it. Let's get back to sanding, baby. Alright, I'm exhausted. Just got done sanding the HVR body, and now is the fun part. We get to put it together and see what it looks like. Let's go ahead and get that done. Let's play some tunes in here, shan't we? Garbage. 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 Oh, this is what I'm talking about. This is my jam right here.
Thanks, ugly guy.
One rock with a Glock, I can't merely rock. One rock with a Glock, I can't merely rock. Teardrop on my homie fit, he got a body. No DM, I'm her LCM on Instagram.
Alright, so that was the HVR50 body. I'm happy with how it turned out. Took a lot of work to get this here. And so that's the HVR50. And we can knock that off our list and proceed with the next project. A little bit more about this car body. This is the first time I made a car body from negative styrofoam molds. Instead of having to machine a positive plug and then make your molds and make your parts, I designed and make the molds and then machine the molds out of styrofoam and then just lay out the part inside the mold. That allows us to forego an entire process of mold making. So this is the first, and I'm happy with how it turned out. It took a lot of work to get the surfaces right, a lot of body work, but that's the HVR50 body, and we got that one project done. Let's head upstairs. So we're on to the next project, the HVR50. We can cross off our list. I'll give you guys one more shot of the HVR50 from up here. Beautiful car. That's it for this one, and I'll see you guys next time.